Welcome back guys, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video you will learn interjection. An interjection is used to express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. Some common interjections are interjections of greeting. Hey, hello, hi. Interjections of bidding farewell. Bye, goodbye, see ya. Interjections of joy is used to express emotions of happiness. Hooray! Wow! Hey! Example, wow, I am so happy for you. Interjections of praise is used to express approval or praise. Great! Well done! Brilliant! Bravo! Example, well done, you did great. Interjections of attention is used to draw attention. Look, listen, sir. Example, look, it's a lion. Interjections of surprise is used to express sense of surprise. What? Oh, oh, wow. Example, what? I can't believe it. Interjection of pain is used to express strong emotion of grief or pain. Ouch. Oh. Oh. Example, ouch, that hurt. Interjections of doubt is used to express uncertainty or thinking. Hum, oh. Example, let me think. Thank you friends for watching this video. Bye.